Multiple levels of collection.defaultdict in Python. Thanks to some great folks on So, I discovered the possibilities offered by collections.defaultdict, notably in readability and speed. I have put them to use with success. Now I would like to implement 3 levels of dictionaries, the 2 top ones being defaultdict and the lowest one being int. I don't find the appropriate way to do this. Here is my attempt. Now this works, but the following, which is the desired behavior, doesn't. I suspect that I should have declared somewhere that the second level defaultdict is of type int, but I didn't find where or how to do so. The reason I am using defaultdict in the first place is to avoid having to initialize the dictionary for each new key. Any more elegant suggestion? Thanks, Pythoneers.
Use. This will create a new defaultdict int whenever a new key is accessed in D. Another way to make a pickable, nested defaultdict is to use a partial object instead of a lambda. This will work because the defaultdict class is globally accessible at the module level. You can't pickle a partial object unless the function, or in this case, class, it wraps is globally accessible, under its _name _ within its _module _ pickling wrapped partial functions.
Look at Nosclo's answer here for a more general solution. Testing. Output.
As per at Rushvieb's request for D key, plus equals 1, we can expand on previous by overriding addition by defining _add _ method, to make this behave more like a collections.counter. First missing _ will be called to create a new empty value, which will be passed into _add _. We test the value, counting on empty values to be false. See emulating numeric types for more information on overriding. Examples. Rather than checking argument is a number, very non-Python, right, we could just provide a default 0 value and then attempt the operation.
João 2019, classe d'archivage streaming.